Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Now I got mine very late this month, which really sucks, but I will say that I do have a tutorial on this look, which I used everything in this box, so stay tuned for that. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder for $32. You actually get like 88 ounces in it, or like 25 grams I should say, and it says this weightless skin smoothing translucent setting powder locks your makeup into place while embracing the look of your foundation, which I didn't use foundation. The soft puff applicator delivers the right amount of powder, blurring and filling fine lines and minimizing the appearance of pores. This specifically formulated powder absorbs excess oil and reduces shine, leaving behind a soft matte finish. Now I just use this to go ahead and set my eyes when I went to go and prime my eyes for shadow, but it does have this cute little puff in it. I thought that was so cute and just a little nice touch. It makes you feel kind of like rich, in my opinion, whenever you have those cute little puffs. Even if I do finish this up, I probably won't. I will probably keep the container because it's so freaking beautiful. I also got the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. I will also do a video on this sometime of me trying it out and seeing how it works. It says detox. This retails for $30 and you get 1.3 ounces or 37 grams. Detoxify your pores from a daily grime with Cosmetics Activated Charcoal Mask. Demacious Earth visibly improves the brightness of your skin, while this activated charcoal and kaolin clay draw out the dirt and impurities from your pores. So that would be good. I definitely need some pore cleaning action in my face, so I'm going to try this out sometime. Super excited for this. Oh, I also have variation 1. Next we have the Tardia Shimmering Lip Paint. That's actually what I have on my lips in the center. I have the shade Insta Famous. I thought this was such a pretty color. It's like a little lip gloss. It doesn't dry down, but it doesn't feel tacky either. This is what the color I got. It's like a rosy with like flecks, shimmers of blue, green, purple. It's what I have on in the center. Super, super pretty, you guys. Like, I will probably be wearing this combination quite a bit. So this retails for $20. It says the sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional and high shine finish. The reflective glitter gloss can be standalone or a lip topper, that's how I used it for this. Giving your lips a fuller look, the sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat and soothe and soften your lips. So I definitely think so, because this lip liner kind of pulled up some dry skin off my lips when I put it on, and I definitely think it helped with that. It also kind of lightened the color in the middle. Oh, I think it's really pretty. Now you can't see the blue, green, and all those different colors. It went away, so I think after wearing it for a while it will, but it does leave the lips nice and plump looking. We also have the Bodyography lip liner. This vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip liner is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long wearing formula glides effortlessly, delivering durable pigment and can frame, fill in, and define the lips. This retails for $12, and I have the shade Heatherberry, and this is the color I have. It's just like a nice nudie kind of pink. I think this will look super, super beautiful with Wet n Wild's Rebel Rose liquid lipstick. I think that combo would be the perfect combo for my skin complexion, and it also looks super pretty with this lip gloss I have on, so I will probably wear this quite a bit. Super, super pretty. I'll just give you guys a swatch of it so you can see it alone. That's what it looks like. So it's pretty true to color. The one thing I will say is it does drag the lips quite a bit. It's very stiff. It's not very creamy, but I didn't have any issues filling in my lips. It wasn't streaky, so I definitely like it. We have the Suva Beauty Protege palette. This retails for $34. It says the Suva Beauty's new Protege palette is a versatile, warm and cool toned palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and mattes and 2 brilliant highlighters. This retails for $34. I wasn't too excited to get this palette. I was hoping I would get the straightener, which I obviously didn't, but I am still happy that I did get the palette nonetheless. But it is a pretty palette. I did use this in my eyes. I do have a tutorial coming up soon. I did use this in the outer V, married with another color. I used this on the lid, as you can see. I used the highlighter mixed in with another highlighter. I thought that was super beautiful. I used Poetic in the crease, but it didn't, there was not much going on. So that was kind of, you know, a little bit disappointing. Overall, I'm really happy. I don't see any fallout, which I'm pretty surprised because this felt a little chunky going on my finger, but I really did like it. Oh, and I also have Theory in my, in the inner portion of my lid. So I think it came out with a really beautiful look. So stay tuned for that tutorial. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.